You? Yes. Yeah. I hope everyone read their advice very quickly. Okay. Nick, who did you think had the best advice? Who do you think had the best advice? Bola, yeah? Why is this the best advice?
Because like the advice for just keep go on, and if they need for family in the future, they have to get a job and get no more studies.
What did you think was? Could you choose your own? Yes, you can. You can choose your own. Did you guys have the best advice?
It's from internet, yes, for Australia to nationality. And we just together online is really not enough. It's real life, not real life.
Yeah.
If you want to get married, you please consider be careful.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's a little young myself. So. Very good. Well, thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you later on this evening.
Thank you.
You're welcome.